Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you creative editing tricks using mask in Inshot. Let's start. At first you have to open your Inshot app here. Then tap on video. And in here select the video. And in here tap on PIP. Then I'm going to choose here video with aurora sky on it, and here zoom it like this. Now tap on the PIP again, and in here you guys will find out mask option. Tap on here, then choose this mask, and now put the mask like this. And here bring the original video again by tapping on the PIP, and in here if you scroll like this you guys will find out cut out option. Then tap on the cut out here, and then you guys can see your video like this. Now let's tap on the aurora sky again, and in the mask option I'm going to transfer it a little bit like this, and then watch the result. So this is how you guys can edit your video by using mask in Inshot. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.